Yo, it's a boy Fato, the girls them Sugar. Yeah, today I bring you this guy. I wanna show you the flames, bro. Thank you, viewers. You must subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe. Hey, my guy here is Wati more GWEZERE.
Boss Wati,
the boss of the guitar. He's gonna show you the other things what he have now. Let's start, my brother.
Right. The song we are going to do today is called Tigere Bo. I'm not good at English, so I'm going to speak Shona also, so that our relatives in Zimbabwe and Bulawayo and Shipinge also, Wekanye is going to understand everyone. So the song, you know, the Tigere Bo naika is what I'm commented as Masito. Whether we read say Famba say song, you know. Second song whether right now. Vaidiseka onai nasinda kura inione vana vangu Tigere boisu unoizia like. Please subscribe. Tikatende nayo baba. We don't want to waste time, but don't go kabisa.
Many from himself, all the way from Murewa. Are you there, Murewa?
Ndinotamba mugoma, ndinotenda mugoma, windakura mugoma, ndinotenda mugoma, ndinotamba mugoma, ndinotenda mugoma, nindakura mugoma, ndinotenda mugoma. Yes, I am. Best. Yagadaro. Buriko ere. Watsoba. Fato.
Bata.
Ndotenda mugoma, ndakura mugoma, ndinotenda mugoma, ndinotamba mugoma, ndinotenda mugoma, tamba mugoma, iwe roa mugoma, ndakura mugoma,
Show them.
ndakura mugoma, ndinotenda mugoma.
Our fans. Boss Wati.
Yes, I am. Please kindly subscribe. Channel yedu, mafans yedu pa Evele Estate, Boxburg, yes, Pretoria West, Mamelodi, mwana wese.
Tisingakanganwe pamurewapo pawili. Tinokudai, we love you all. We are coming with the new things. We are going to hear the new taste. We want to give you the new taste.
The new recipe. Straight out of Gaza. Yes,
Boss Wati.
Boss Wati, the legend.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Boss Jari.